Hello, baby girl. So that I am sorry. Alright? You see, as a matter of fact, a lot actually happened. And I can explain. Right? I can explain. All I need from you right now, I need you to understand.
Understand what? What do you want to explain to me? James, you left me when I needed you the most. You left me in my final year. Do you even know how I survived through the university my final year? You left me heartbroken. You left me traumatized. You left me shattered. And you are here after a year to tell me that you can explain?
I tried severally to reach you, but I lost my phone. Yes, I am very sorry. I traveled for us. For us, for our future. Yes.
You traveled for us and I was not even aware. It's obvious that your business is more important than me, than us and the love we share.
Of course you know that's not true. Of course you know you mean the world to me. Of course, absolutely.
Thank you. But you see, it's too early for your preachings. I am not interested. I'm busy inside. I have a lot to do. I'm going to Amazon first thing in the morning for my service. Please don't disturb me.
Sweetheart, wait. See. We can walk this.
Don't touch me!
Okay.
Just go away.
Okay. Can I at least visit you during your service? Just a visit. Please. Juliet.
I know you are making progress in preparing the students for their final exams. I assigned you here into that class because I have seen the progress you have made in a short period of time.
Yes, sir. Of course, I am doing my best to mold them into becoming the best in the academics and be able to award this school a great deal, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Please, I want you to be the best in everything you do. Okay?
I will, sir.
And one thing, the students could be unruly at times. So if they do, I want you to send them to me. Then I will be able to control them and bring their wins.
Okay, sir. It's not a problem, sir. I'll do just that.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
You can go back to the
Thank
class.
you so much, sir.
Yeah.
All right, sir.
together. Oh, please, kid, allow me to come to test to do this class. Who think that boss will get this class?
Hey! Do the class? Order.
Hurry. Who kept you?
Kate,
Yes?
what's up with you and Joshua and Daniel? Why are they always on your toes?
I don't know. I don't know what is wrong with those boys.
No, those guys are nothing. You have to put them in their place.
Nena, please. I have better things to think about. They're not my problem.
See,
Seriously.
Kate, the earlier the better you do that, or else they'll make this unbearable for you to stay.
Okay. Have you finished?
Mm-hmm.
Can I go home now? See, I'm sweating. I need to shower. I'm hungry.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
You just have to manage. It's only guy that I have at home.
No problem.
What?
No sugar?
No, I'll just add salt. Don't worry. Take the quantity you
No,
want.
kid. I can't drink Gary without sugar now. How can I drink it without sugar?
You can't say Gary without sugar. Okay. I'll go in and check if I'll find sugar. Then
Better
yes.
check. There better be sugar in the house. How can I drink Gary
I'm not
without
doing
sugar?
it. What is it? Are you commanding me?
I'm sorry. Please, get me sugar. Your shakara, eh? Did you find?
Yes.
Good.
Found the one that remains.
Yes. Let's start with this first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Just
you.
go.
I don't understand.
What?
Why are you pouring everything now?
I like it sweet. Don't you know when it's sweet, that's when it makes more sense.
Peter, you want to die so early? I don't want to die with you.
What do you mean? Test it and see what I mean.
I'm not testing.
No?
Enjoy your Gary. No. I'll go and look
Please.
for something else to eat.
Please now.
Please, what?
Are you angry?
No, why should I be angry? Me?
No. Drink now. It's me, Peter.
Peter, drink your Gary.
You must
Sugar.
drink
No,
this
no,
Gary.
no.
You must
don't.
drink this Gary.
I will not.
Come here.
Let me! Finish it. Drink it like what?
You are missing out though. You are missing out.
I'm not. I'll look for something
Okay.
else.
Who will speak for me? Who will fight for me?
I went to see a friend.
That's useless orphan. Never a friend the guy for.
Mama,
Peter,
you have started again.
shut up! What do you know? Peter, do you want to drag the name of this family to the mud? But you're sitting yourself with that orphan that killed my parents on the same day? Peter! Do I need to always remind you that that girl is a witch?
Mama.
Witch and for your today if you. No problem. Peter. A girl whose mother died on the day she was giving birth to her. And her father died on his way to the hospital to check up on them.
Mama, she's not a witch. There's no justification to call her a witch. All those things are just rumors. That's all they are.
Rumors?
Hearsay, Mama.
Peter, it's a hearsay. Here say Peter. That girl is a witch.
Mama, she's not a witch.
She is a witch.
Mama, she's not a witch.
I can see she has bewitched you, Peter. You're not with your senses again. See how you're talking.
Mama,
your mother is telling you the truth. You're talking another
Mama,
thing.
you know what? I have something to do inside, oh.
Peter, come and hear the truth. You will not hear now, Peter. Peter, you will not hear now. Peter, come and hear the truth. Leave that witch alone. Leave her alone.
So, Kate.
Sir?
Like I was saying before, the little fee needs to be paid between now and next week to enable the school authority provide the necessary accessories before the exams.
But sir, I thought that the government are supposed to provide everything you need.
Oh yes, perfectly well. You know how our government behaves. They make promises, sweet promises.
Hey! Come here. Both of you come here.
Look at the rascals.
Come this way.
Good. Is this our school sandal? Why are you not talking in?
Come here and kneel down.
Sorry.
Kneel down here. Come here.
You. This way.
Kneel down.
Like I was saying before.
Yes, sir.
You know the promises our government, our leaders, they make. Yet they don't fulfill them. If we don't provide these necessary accessories, it will be difficult for you to do these exams. I know your situation. I know.
Okay, sir. I will try my best and bring mine next week.
It's okay. Please, you can go.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Both of you think you can come to the school without talking in, without a proper school uniform? Bring that thing out. Remove the canvas. Bring it out.
Sir, I don't have sandals.
Remove the canvas. Are you talking?
Sir, please, no.
Tuck your shirt in.
I don't have the best. Sir.
Who will speak for me? Who will fight for me? Onyeke kwalo mama me. Onye. Papa na bagoy. Mama na bagoy. Leaving me in this wicked world. Oh, hey, to boy, hear the cry of an orphan. Come and fight for me. Landing away now. Whoa.
That would tell me to read. You should be happy. I know I understand.
Hey, stop there. Oh, come on, stop there. Where are they go? Two hoodlums.
So, go up na the Grand Mary and Matabi. I will tell you, say, I'm be Judas. I go to tell you, na.
I don't know, sir, whether I know start from the fence or being at this shopping.
Sir, no be this one when I dey for class, dey for school, they do anyhow. See, today when I go team way, today, you go see film.
Please, I beg all of you, if we have offended you in any way, forgive us, please.
Oh.
Let us go.
Oh, so it's a big Abi. I remember when you come to this village, they claim say you from China come back, they do big gear. They then go pose. The make I tell you, na fish where they stubborn. We won't go overseas, they come back aside. In today, you go collect. No worry
You
yourself.
must collect.
See. If I hear pimp for here, when I go see fame, see, I don't even know why they talk too much for here. Say, eh? Yeah. Go down.
Go down low. Go down low.
I still go down. Go down low.
Stop, please.
Wait, Papa. It's alright. Just calm down. I will talk with her when she comes here, okay?
So you asked to see me?
Yes. Why did you ask her to go out of the class while the test was going on?
Sir, this girl was rude to me, sir. She entered my class very late this morning and she was saying nonsense to me, sir. I asked her to leave my class.
Kate, is that correct?
Sir, it's not true. It's not true, sir.
Oh, you're calling me a liar, right? You see, sir, she's a very stupid girl. You're calling me a liar, isn't it? I don't blame you.
It's alright, Miss Juliet. I want you to take her back again to the classroom. Let her have the tests. Later we can talk about it. And let me also see those stubborn boys immediately after the test. Please do that.
Okay, sir.
It's alright.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. You can go.
Kate, what is the problem? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Nothing.
No, you're not fine. I know you. You're my best friend. What happened?
I don't know. I don't know why Copper Juliet hates me this much. What did I do to her? What did I do to her? Why does she hate me like this?
Please, just calm down. I understand. Please.
How do I calm down? How? Any opportunity she gets, she just lets her anger on me. What did I do?
Please. Just calm down. Everything will be fine. Please,
if she can just
crying.
stop hating me, it would be so nice.
Kate.
Peter, hi. Hi.
Kate, what's wrong?
I'm fine.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Nothing is wrong. Something entered my eye, so Tina was helping me to remove it. She?
Yeah,
I was here.
I was asking her to remove the entered my eye.
It was so painful.
Yeah.
Now, why are you looking at me like that?
Nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the for?
Well, I was passing through your school the other day and overheard some students talking about the 2,000 naira that was imposed on the final year students by the school authority. So I thought it wise and decided to help my very good friend.
No, thank you, but I've already paid. You okay? Who's lying? What will I lie?
Kate, you just lied to me again.
No, I'm not lying to you. I mean, okay, what I was trying to say is that I'm working towards it, yes.
My friend, take this thing. You need it. See, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. You thought I stole it. I did not steal it. Look, I worked hard for this money you see. And I'm just doing this because you're like the sister I never had.
You're telling me the truth. You didn't steal it.
I am telling you the gospel truth. You know you're like the sister I never had. So anything to make you happy.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful.
Well, I have to go now. I just thought I should come and give it to you first. I want to go back to Mazi Okeke to collect my balance, eh?
Okay.
I will leave the two of you now. Please take care of her.
Okay, sure.
Don't cry again. I don't want to see your
I
eyes
was not
like
crying. Don't get at my eyes.
Cat! I'll see you later.
Thank you.
Okay.
I love the smile now.
Are you blind?
I'm suspecting,
Get
no.
out.
Something. I'm suspecting, no.
I am so glad you have paid all your fees now. All you need to do is focus on your studies and make us proud as usual. You know?
Thank you so much. It became possible because of you. And for that, I am grateful.
Come on, don't mention it. Okay? You know you're the most brilliant girl in this community. Not even our next village has a genius like you. And it's the truth.
Stop it, Peter. Stop pulling my legs.
I am not pulling your leg.
You are.
I am saying the truth and everybody knows it. Kat, you know you mean so much to me. You mean more to me. You're like a friend and the sister I've ever had.
Likewise, you are like the brother I never had.
It's okay. We have everything.
Yes.
So you have to hurry up so that you won't be late for school.
Yeah. I don't have to be late before the principal will
So, I'm seeing you after school, right? Of course I'm seeing you after school.
Okay.
You'll be surprised to see me at your house.
What? Let
So,
me go before
when you get to school today,
Eh.
please try to stay out of trouble.
Okay.
From everybody.
Okay.
Everybody.
Okay,
You
I
promise?
I promise.
Okay.
Should I go now?
No.
Can
Mom-
I don't want to be late. Don't
Mother.
go.
Mama, welcome.
Mama, come.
What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house? Oh, you have come to kill my son. The way you killed your parents?
No.
Mama,
what has she done now?
Shut up. Oh, you want to beat your mother? Eh? Look at your hand. It's a girl power mic. Enough from muzzle. Peter, you want to beat your mother? The same way you beat those boys the other day? Because of this witch.
Mama, it's not like that. She hasn't done anything. She only came to see me before going to school.
No, Peter, and what if you don't know anything? Before I will cause you with those two breasts I fed you with. And you, what are you still doing? Go to school. Go to school, you're better in school. You're here following men around. Idiots. Get away from Peter, Bible. Peter, what would you?
Mama, I don't like it. I don't like it. This is not fair. This is not fair. Kat deserves
Close
love.
my gate for me. Make sure you get off, man. I'm Mosu.
This is not fair. Kat does not deserve to be treated like this.
Oh, you are now telling me what is fair and what is not fair.
All I'm saying is that Kat deserves love and care. She doesn't deserve to be treated with wickedness like this.
Hey, Peter, this girl has really bewitched you. Huh? But her charms will not work. Except I am not called Nwakego, that a woman will use charm on my son. Never! Peter!
Mama, it's not fair.
I'm warning you now, no?
It's not fair.
Leave this girl alone. Leave this witch alone, no?
All I know is that it's not fair.
Following men around.
Mama, it's not fair. This girl.
Just look at yourself. Look at you. You wore a very short skirt to school. No, don't you take it up now. You want to come and seduce who? The principal? Shut up! When I talk, you don't talk. Shut your useless mouth up, you poor little wretched idiot. You see? Look at you. You are in school and then what you want to do is to come to school, look at men and boys, and then you get pregnant. You will not graduate. Yes! In fact, in my subject, you must fail. You can never pass my subject. Shut up! I will learn this on your head now. You have a headache for 10 days. Useless, unfortunate bastard. Stupid fool. front. You see people like you? You will never, ever leave this school. You can't graduate. Yes. We are made. I'm a graduate. This is my NYC uniform. I'm 7. You are still in secondary school, and then what you want to do is to just come to school, wear short skirt, and seduce men. In it. Go on, you see, I won't stop too much, okay? You see, from this place now, from here that you are, down to that block, you will clear. When I mean clear, you will clear to the bone marrows. Do you understand me? Sir, take it. Oh yeah. Stand up and begin to walk. Right now. Be fast! Okay. Hey, you, come. Just come. Give it to me. Get out. Get out! Run from here. Oh yeah, begin to walk. Begin. Are you mad? No. Be fast. Take it. Oh yeah, begin to clear.
Should I use it too?
Are you stupid?
Sorry.
Clear. Clear it well. See all this place. Clear it well.
You have to shift.
Clear it well. Clear it well. Fast. See all this thing. It's not clear though. Clear it well. Idiot. Stop! Because clear it. Clear fast. Clear it. Don't be stupid. You must be useful. Clear it. Useless or serious idiot. Clear it. Be fast. I will deal with you now. Be fast. Clear it. Clear this thing fast. Yes, go on. Go on.
What is it? No, you didn't say you slap me for this place. What be the size of your coffee? Because I'm going oversized. They got home today.
I don't understand. What is it?
See, if I hear him, you go see him win for you.
But we did not do anything to you guys now. What is this now? Why you putting this on? Why you putting this on? You did this.
What is it? Who are you? What? Are you?
Katie! Kat! Where is she? Katie! Where could she be? Kat! Kat! Katie! Katie, what's wrong? Are you alright?
I don't know.
My God, your temperature is high. What's wrong?
I don't know.
Don't even pretend. I am coming back. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Here's the drugs. The pharmacist said you should take one in the morning and one at night.
Okay.
Yeah, open your palm. Drink it. Take it now. This one is not bitter. Don't throw it off.
Okay.
Nwodo, sorry. Sorry. You'll be fine. Yeah? You'll be fine. Good. Take more water. Take more water. Don't worry. He assured me that by tomorrow, by this evening, sir, you'll be very fine.
Okay. Thank you. I cannot drink again. Thank you.
You know you don't deserve to be sick.
I don't know what happened.
I'm so sorry, okay?
Thank you.
Look, whatever you need, I'll provide it for you. Just be fine.
Thank you.
Sorry. Look, let me take you inside so that you can rest. Ketty, don't try it. How many cons have you taken today? If you take another one, you pay. I told you. No.
You don't brought me here.
Let me ask you. Is corn fruit?
Stay one of my service time because those students are just very annoying.
What do you expect when you're a teacher? You're really trying.
What would I do? I have to finish my NYSC program.
Don't wait.
I like corn. I like corn.
This one. After this, I'll go and look for something else for you. How many guns have we eaten? No, I don't even have money. Don't try it. No. Don't try it. Is that not the copper they sent from the city?
She's the one who. Do you know her?
Not really, but I've heard about her. I never liked her face from the onset.
She's so wicked. I don't understand. See the way I greeted her, she's not answering.
I just saw it. I was wondering.
That's how
Did you do anything to her?
Nothing. She's very wicked. Anytime she sees me, I don't know what I did to her. She can flog.
That means she's in the wrong village. Because in this village, we respect everybody, no matter your status. Rich, poor, young or old. That's why they say respect is reciprocal.
My corn has finished though.
Hey, it has finished now.
Let me take this one.
No, Kate, don't try it. How many corn? Is it because you're sick? Do you think corn is drugs? No. Let's go home and eat. Don't try it. Kate, don't try it. Come on, let's go home. I've already paid. What will I ever do to win this girl?
I hope this village, things are very expensive.
Very, very far. Come and see that tomatoes, 500.
It's not far.
I'm telling you. And the woman was so serious about it.
This sun is crazy. I'm so tired. My legs are hurting.
What a day.
I'm so tired. So tired.
For the small account, you are well done.
What's that? That market is very far.
Too lazy.
I beg. You make me food, Abby.
You are just too arrogant. No wonder you ignore a student who just greeted you on our way. Shiakwa.
What's your business?
students testified against her.
Sir, I'm very sorry. But sir, I barely got into the school. And I've been doing everything right as a good teacher should, sir. Yes, sir. I've been doing my best to make the students act right, both morally and academically, sir. To make this school proud in public, sir. So that's why you saw me and appointed me to be the head teacher of this school, sir. Sir, please, can I be allowed to do my job as a head teacher should do, sir?
I am aware of what you're saying. And that is the reason I had to come to this class to make this inquiry myself.
Sir, I gave a student a punishment for what she did wrong, sir. That is what a good teacher that has moral conduct should do, sir.
It's all right. It's all right. I have had enough of all these stories. Miss Okafo,
Sir.
I want you to see me in my office in 2 hours' time.
Okay, sir.
Miss Onwoka,
Sir.
I want you to see me tomorrow, 20:00 hours in my office.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
You can go. You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Wait. Who kept this here? Do you know anything about it?
No.
Let me check what.
Why would you check what is not yours? It is wrong to do that. Is it yours? Why are you checking it?
But it's close to our door. I beg.
Okay, I know who brought it. He came from the city to see me. That guy is just getting on my nerves. I don't know what his problem is. You know, sometimes I just go down memory lane and then I remember how we were so in love, how we were deep in love with each other, but it made me go through hell. Like I saw hell. I don't even know how I got to this place. I don't know who gave him the address because I did not.
He met me on my way going to work yesterday. He said he's a call member sent from the city to you. That he's very urgent and he have to go back to the city. That same yesterday. So I was in a haste. I have no choice than to allow him to come.
And you didn't even tell me until he came here this morning.
I'm sorry. I called your number instantly to inform me, but you weren't picking up. So I thought, I never knew he was once your boyfriend. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's not your fault. Like the guy is just on my nerves. I don't know what to do with him. I'm tired.
Juliet, follow your heart. For this one, I'm going to enjoy it together. Since you don't want it, me, I want it.
Please, do your own.
You're for me now. See this babe.
Good day. Please sit down. I want to use this opportunity to address you as the senior students of this great school. In a few hours' time, you'll be setting out for your weekend. I also want to remind you that in 5 days' time, you will be sitting for your senior WAEC examination. And the great question here is, are you ready for this great challenge?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are ready?
Yes, sir. Nice one.
That's a great one. I must commend each and every one of you because the scores I saw in your mock examination conducted by the school authority here is encouraging. But I must commend 2 exceptional students, Miss Kate and Miss Nena.
Thank you, sir. Okay, clap for them. Clap, 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 clap. Thank you.
They have done so well. But I also want to urge every one of you to emulate them. Challenge them. And how do you challenge them? You have to read. There's something I want to show you on this board. The way you lay your bed, so shall you lie on it. If you want to come out in flying colors, you have to bend down and read your books. But if you do not want to come out in flying colors, continue playing. Then, the little fee I asked you to pay, if you fail to pay it, you are on your own. And for the notorious ones amongst you, if you decide not to read your books, you are on your own. But I want you to follow Kate and Nena, so that at the end of this examination, you all will come out in flying colors. Congratulations.
Okay, good luck, students. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Yeah.
What are you trying to tell me that? Your kids, you're very special and amazing, I swear. Like knowing you has been the best thing that has ever happened to me. You don't understand. Like I find it difficult to read, even whenever they're writing the exam, I can fail most times. But knowing you like now, I can even study like you're motivated and inspired.
Stop. Are we not best friends since SS1? So if I don't help my best friend, who will I help?
You're amazing.
Thank you.
I like this your bag. I'll be going to my grandma's place, so I don't know if you can just give me. Let me just use it this weekend. Then I'll send I'll return it.
This is the only bag I have now.
You're my best friend. I'll return it. Please now, just one day.
Just this weekend, oh. Please, you bring my bag back.
I'll bring it back. I promise.
I don't like your bag.
Just manage. I don't like it.
Ah! It's so heavy.
Well, let me help you.
Just go and help. Ebere.
I love you, this your bag. This shakara with
Stop, such a bag. Hey, stop there.
It's
Such a bag.
Which? I don't understand what's happening.
My money is missing. I've searched everyone's bag.
Please
pull your bag. I need to search it.
Yeah. Oh, you think we stole your money?
No, I don't.
That's my bag.
Search that bag. Search it.
Open this one and search too. The money might be there.
This is the money. I knew it. I said it. In fact, you are money kidnapper. I'm robber. I'm robbery. Everything. I knew it. Look at it. One.
I knew it. You guys have been
I've been suspecting you. I've been suspecting you. Both of you.
Okay.
Especially you.
No, the money is.
Thieves.
So, what you are saying is the truth.
Yes, sir.
It's all right. Miss Juliet, Nena,
Sir.
please excuse us. I want to talk with Kate alone.
Sir, don't allow this girl to deceive you with her innocent looks. This girl is a bad egg. She's bad influence on the students in this school, sir. She will spoil them.
Miss Juliet, please excuse us. Excuse us.
Okay, sir. Thief.
Now, Kate, I am aware you are the most
brilliant student in this school. Your academic excellence has taken this school to a height that we don't need anything that will jeopardize the name of this school. And you know you have a few days for your exams. If we find out that really you are the person that stole the money, you know the implication. You will be expelled from this school. So I want you to tell me the truth. Did you take the money?
Sir, I did not take the money. I did not.
It's all right. Are you in any way suspecting anyone? Maybe your friend Nena?
No. Nena is like a sister to me. She cannot do that to me.
It's okay.
The money got inside my bag.
It's all right.
I beg, kids, come. I don't understand what happened just today. The money they saw in your bag, you just better tell me the truth. How come that money entered into that bag?
I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know?
I don't know how the money got there, seriously.
Then who put the money into this bag?
I don't know.
See, me, I don't even believe you. I don't trust you again. I beg. And this bestie something is even over, safe. I think I'm even tired of you. Like, all this thing now, I don't want anything that'll make my parents to have issues with me.
You should trust me. I'm your best
I don't even trust myself right now. So I can't trust you anymore.
Don't do this.
Please. Stay your let me stomach. There's not like any bestie. I don't want the bestie. Let the bestie just go here.
Yeah, don't do this. Nina, what am I going to do? I've been expelled from school. Me, Kate, the most brilliant student in this school. I did not steal the money. I did not. I don't know how that money entered that bag. I did not steal it. I was not given the opportunity to write my way, something I've been preparing for. What am I going to do? Mama, my parents are dead. What am I going to do? Nina, say something. Nina, why are you like this? Say something. Your friend have been expelled from school. You didn't even beg for me, Nina. Where will I go from here? What am I going to do? I didn't steal the money. You know me.
Hi, Mama. I want to quickly go and see Uche. I'll be right back.
Go and see Uche. Peter, Ibiakwa. Eh? I hope you're not going to see that witch of a girl.
No, Mama, please don't start.
I shouldn't start.
Mama, I'll be right back. Let me just go and see Uche.
Who is
that not on our gate?
That?
Hey! Mama, it's Uncle Ben!
Ah!
Hey!
Is it? What's Uncle Ben? Bumoto. Uncle Ben?
Hey! Uncle Ben!
Hey! Where's your boy? Ben, one day more.
I'm fine, sister.
Mama!
Sister, good afternoon.
And you're welcome.
Thank you, sister.
Ben, is this you?
It's him.
You now own a car?
Sister, I don't just own a car. I have fleets of cars. Yes.
Hey!
Mama, in fleet of cars.
Peter, in Afukwa.
Hey!
Nya, Nwodo buzi inso bagona beki.
But sister,
Chimo,
there is something I want us to talk about.
Hey.
Yes.
No, you're welcome. Okay, let us go inside.
Yes.
Sister, I'm really enjoying this air.
if we can sit somewhere outside, it'll be better. Anyway.
Okay, let me go and set the chair. Come,
go and
let's
set
go.
the chair there. Oh.
Happy to see you.
No. Hey, I am happy that someone can have a car in my lineage. Inokwa. Hey. No. And Ben, I have heard all you said. But the question is, will Peter agree to follow you to the city? Because he might go there now and start misbehaving.
Sister, Peter isn't a small boy anymore. Stop worrying yourself. And when it has to do with if he will want to follow me to the city, I think the ball is in his court. That's a question he has to answer for himself.
Okay, you're right. But, Ben, you don't know this boy. You don't know him. He is not smart at all.
Mama, I don't understand you. Big boy like me is not smart. Mama, you see, you underestimate me. You underestimate your son. That's the problem. But don't worry. I will shock you. By the time I go to the city and come back with my own private jet. You got to know, Neme?
Meno.
Yeah, for your mama.
Meno. Come on, nego. Yeah,
But Peter, what is your take on what I just said?
Uncle, you already know my reply. Stop worrying yourself about Mama. Look, I have been looking for this opportunity. Even if you want us to leave for the city right now, I am ready.
Sister.
Ome.
Did you hear that?
Ome.
You see? You see that you have just been worried over nothing.
Okay. Nnam, thank you very much. Oh, thank you.
Okay, sister. Sister, you don't need to mention that. Please, sister, I need to take this call.
It's all right. Go ahead.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Okay.
Now let me see how that
Okay.
wicked witch keep disturbing you.
Tomorrow. What? Okay. 4 o'clock tomorrow. I'll be there.
Nothing, no. Just that I'm happy for you. For the first time ever.
So, Mama, you mean you've not been happy for me all this while?
I never said
Mama?
so.
Mama?
I never said so.
Okay.
Hey!
It's about the rock.
Oh, Chibo! Here ka abukwala eziokwu biko na.
Sister.
Nnam.
There's a change of plan.
Gịnịkwa?
Peter has to pack his things. We need to leave as soon as possible.
Oh.
Uncle, right now?
Yes.
Why the sudden change?
I got a call from one of my clients in China, and we need to meet tomorrow by 4 o'clock. So we need to leave as soon as we can.
That is good now. What are you waiting for? Nna, go and pack your things and follow your uncle. But what? Get up, let us go. I will help you pack your things. I know you're lazy. Get up. Good, let us go and pack your things.
It's not it.
Nna, we are coming, no? Go now, let us go. Now, go, Simon Botukwa. Too sudden, but what is too sudden? I'll do what I want to. Get pack your things.
Mama, Papa, why did you leave me in this wicked world, Oli? He's so crazy. Mama! Mama! It's not taking me. This is not really too much. This is not really too much. This is not really too much. Ah! This is not really too much. This is not really too much. Auntie Juliet, good afternoon.
What are you doing here? And who showed you my house?
A neighbor directed me to your house.
Why stuttering?
I came to see you, ma.
For what? For what exactly? Listen, I do not accept thieves in my house. And if private said to me, we'll say it in the school, not here.
Auntie Juliet. Auntie Juliet, please. I am sorry, ma. Have I done anything to offend you? Please forgive me. Please. I don't want to miss my exams. Please. I beg you.
Oh. I don't want to miss my exams, please. I beg you. Am I the cause of you missing your exams? You miserable thing. When you went to go and steal, did I ask you to go steal? Did I ask you to go and steal?
I swear, Auntie Juliet, I did not take that money. I'm not a thief.
Oh, I am the thief. I stole the money. Handcuff me. You are very stupid. Listen, I hate you. The sight of you makes me want to puke. Listen. Turn your back and get out of my compound now. If I see you here again, your thieving legs here again, I will deal with you.
Auntie Juliet, please don't do this to me. I don't want to miss my exam.
1.
Auntie Juliet,
2.
Don't do this.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Next thing.
Gini can get you to a radio zoro. Very strong. And I'm up is ya la ye keleo. Ibuchi. Omokachie. Ibuchi mo ibuchi. Ibuchi ayaja uzole. Agada.
Good afternoon.
Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for?
I came to see Peter, ma.
Who is your mama? He's your mama? Say what you want to say and then leave my compound.
I just wanted to tell him something.
You want to tell who something? Ha! Well, for your information, Peter is not around. So your plan was to make my son useless in this village? Osim, no. You want my son to be following you around in this village? Morning, afternoon, night, he will follow you around. Like a fly. That was your plan?
No.
Okay. My son has gone to the city to be useful to himself. You know, go. Get out of my compound. Hanale! Say what, boss, sister?
I'm sorry, Mama.
Sorry for yourself, get out. I'm sorry. Say what, boss, sister? Let me not see you here again. You know here? Don't carry out that your waka like come inside my compound again. If rock all day. Kitty Balachakwa Raya dear. Eh, you want almost soon now. You want my son to be useless. Go down on a village here. No John goes. Uto if you are so cool now. Onyala. Instead of going to school, you are coming to see Peter. Ha!
God, why is my life like this? Why? Why do people hate me this much? What did I do? What have I done? This world doesn't want me here. I can't stay in this wicked world anymore. The hate is too much. Baby, I will go join my parents.
Give me the phone.
Let me have that phone.
Give me the phone. Give it to me. Give me the phone.
Give her the phone. It has come to my notice that both of you framed that innocent girl up. Yes. Now she has been expelled from the school. I will make sure both of you is expelled.
Yes.
I will make sure that no government school will admit both of you in this state.
Good.
Not only in this state, but in this country.
Yes.
Rascals.
Useless.
Idiots.
Vagabonds.
Let's go. Idiots. I failed as a teacher. I should have investigated properly before expelling the innocent child. This is wrong. And to think of it, she is an orphan. No. I must fix this. Yes. I must.
Okay. Where's my breakfast?
Breakfast? There's no breakfast, and I'm late for work.
Excuse me? There's no what? This may be the 21st century, but women are still ladies. It is your duty to prepare my meals. I don't give you enough money. I don't provide enough money. So what nonsense are you talking about that there's no breakfast?
Oh, I see, because you married me and then made me your wife. I am now your slave. I don't understand. What do you mean?
Like I said, what nonsense are you talking
I do not care on how you see it. I don't care. Listen. Yeah. In this house, our house, I earn more than you. I am not your slave. You don't talk to me anyhow. There is no breakfast. If you're hungry, walk to the kitchen and make yourself a breakfast. You will not die. You're my husband. It's a mutual thing. Or still, you get yourself a maid.
Is it this drum you're playing? I am very sure you're not going to be able to dance tonight.
Hey, my darling. I love to dance the surugede. The dance of the spirit.
Thank you. Excuse me. What's your name?
My name is Kate, sir.
Oh, Kate. You see, I never knew there's a place downtown where I could eat such a wonderful meal.
I'm glad you like our food, sir.
And I promise I'm going to come with my friend so he can taste this too.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Word of mouth is the best form of marketing.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you.
And how much is it?
Okay, 800, sir.
800. Yeah, have this.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir, your money is 800.
Oh, keep the change. Keep the change.
So, thank you so much.
I saw you, my friend. I saw you. Give me that money. Come on, give me that money. Madam, what?
Your money is 800. My change there is 1,000.
Get out of this place before I pour you hot oil. You don't know how much I pay this place that you come and eat free food and sleep without paying rent. Do you?
I'm sorry.
Come on! Get out. Idiots.
So you came to see me today. Hallelujah. Oh. What did you see? Last time you came, we just ran away. What happened?
See, it's actually not like that. I didn't even stay for a day. Yes.
Okay, so now that you are here for a day, so you're here now, right?
Yes, I came to see you.
Okay.
So, how's married life been? I don't even need to ask. Look at you, you're looking so gorgeous. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Looking gorgeous without the peace of your mind?
What do you mean?
See, baby, my marriage, I don't have peace. My husband has been a thorn in my flesh. That guy has not changed. He's always stressing me out. Hey, baby, do this one. Baby, my breakfast. Have you washed my dresses, my clothes? Have you ironed my... The stress is just too much. And then in the night, you still want me to come and, the other one on the bed.
Juliet,
Yes, so,
there's a minor issue. And it's your duty as a wife to do it.
I don't understand. So I should come and kill myself now because it's my duty. Like, I don't get it. I am a working class woman. I am busy. Listen, I go to work, I come back. I get tired, I get fucked out. I'm human. Blood runs in my veins. I'm not a robot now.
Ha. Wait, when last did you make out?
What stupid question is that? Like, I don't understand it. How is it your business?
We are more than friends now, Juliet. We are like sisters. You can talk to me.
Okay. It was on our wedding night.
What do you mean? If I'm not mistaken now, it's almost 2 months. And you're telling me your wedding night?
What's your problem? No. Accurate timekeeper. My co-debater. I don't understand. What's your own inspector now? Is he your husband? Is he your making out? Why are you so stressed? Why are you pained? Madam, mind your business. Oh. Listen, I am human. I go to work, I come back, I get fucked, I'm tired. I need to rest. This thing is a mutual something. If I'm tired, you should let me be. You understand? I'm human. I'm not a robot. Please, Abel, let's go.
I just hope you know what you're doing. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Mind your business. Mind your damn business.
So that's exactly how it happened.
I can see this is really much on you. Trust me, you don't need to kill yourself.
Brother, you won't understand how I feel. As a matter of fact, I've had it up to here with her. Oh yes. I sometimes I wonder if I got married to a wife or an attacker. You see, ever since we got married, my life has been a living hell.
You know I warned you. I told you to take things easy with yourself. Take your time to know this girl. And you told me you have known this girl for a very long time. And you forgot that people change.
Andrew, you see, each time I don't know why she is in a competition with me. Oh yes, we should be working towards the same goal. But each time it seems as if she's in a competition with me. But you know what? I am going to make her life miserable. Oh yes, I'm going to tell her that this is Africa. And in Africa, the man is the head of the house.
See, right now you need to calm down, okay? You know marriage is not really easy. So once you are in, you need to take things easy with yourself. My friend, trust me, you'll be fine. Just calm down.
Well, yes, like I said, I'll make the supplies tomorrow. So I'll phone my account details. You guys can make the transfer. Oh yes, it's nice doing business with you guys here. So okay, talk to you guys later, alright?
Hey, baby.
How are you?
I'm good. Vivian, my husband.
Yes, sir.
Good day. How are you?
Hi, sir.
So, honey, we have these issues of who to do these out chores, cleaning, and then the stuffs in the house. I said, no, I want peace in my home. So I got us a maid. I present to you our maid.
Good day.
Honey, you're not saying anything. We are coming to your room.
Good day, sir.
Oh, good day, Vivian. How are you?
Fine, thank you. So I would you like anything?
Oh. Oh, good.
Are you sure that?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, I would like to get you some coffee.
Vivian, I said I'm good. Excuse me. How are you?
Mother, I thought you.
Shut up! What was the meaning of that? Just 3 days. 3 days in my house. You have cooked up a plan to come and snatch my husband. How dare you? What insolence! Really? Oh, right. You thought I was not coming back early, right? And then you feel you can snatch my husband, you twat. Listen, I close my eyes right now. Before I count 3, you have left this place. Like you are not here. If I see you near my compound, your corpse will stink. 1, 2. Little twat. James! Honey! James!
What is so funny?
Wait. Are you for real? So you mean the housemaid your wife employed 3 days ago, she's making plans to seduce you?
And guess what? My wife caught her. Oh yes, my wife caught her. And as usual, poured out her anger, her venom on me, her drama on me.
So what do you do? Do you try making any move?
Move on what? Make a move on.
Come on now, to do the normal.
Andrew, I am a married man. Oh yes, need I remind you that I am a married man? And even if I want to make a move or do anything as such, at least it wouldn't be with a house help. A house help that I don't know if it's if she's a ghost or I mean a spirit or human.
My guy, forget that thing. There is no spirit anywhere. That housemaid, she said that you know they see him. Maybe that could be the reason your wife is misbehaving. She felt that you cannot take any action. See, my guy, you don't need to die now. You need to take action. Yes.
You see, Andrew, if not for the fact that you are my friend, I would have called you the devil himself.
Well, I'm only trying to tell you the truth, but you are dulling yourself. Now you know.
I am a married man. And I'll never cheat on my wife. Yes.
See, you need to pump that girl.
Who will speak for me? Who will fight for me? leaving me in this wicked world. Oh, hey, to boy, hear the cry of an orphan. Come and fight for me, landing away now. Whoa, hey, whoa, whoa, hey, who will speak for me? Who will fight for me? Onye ke kwalo mama me, onye papa na bagoy, mama na bagoy, leaving me in this wicked world. Oh, hey.
Hello. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Your face, have we met?
Yes, sir. It's Kate at the restaurant.
Oh, yes, kids at the restaurant.
Yes, sir.
How are you? I was actually going there this afternoon to have lunch. Is that where you're headed?
I am no longer working there, sir.
Oh.
My madam accused me of stealing her money, but I did not. I'm not a thief.
Oh, that's terrible. Why don't you hop in so you can tell me about it? Yeah, tell me all about it. Yeah, come on in. Come on. Yeah. So what happened? You are no longer working there or something?
Please, sir. You can take me to anywhere, any other place. Or give me money. Let me go back to my friend's village. Please, sir, don't take me back to Madam P's restaurant. I beg you, sir. Help. She and her daughter will kill me. They will kill me.
It's okay. Put yourself together, okay? Yeah, put yourself together. I understand. Alright? Everything will be fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Put yourself together, alright? It's okay. Yes, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Welcome.
Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome to my home. Yes, let us go inside so you can freshen up and take care of yourself properly. All right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'll send it to you, no problem. Thank you. Open that can bring this up. From there. Yeah. Okay, dear. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. All right then. Bye. Oko, what is it?
Madam, no be say I too like gossip or I dey gossip. You know say for this house, we know ourselves. E be like say Oga don go village, carry one stranger wey I no know. I don't know whether na him sister sha o. No dey allow this my mouth to put me in trouble now. Eh? Make I no dey put mouth for wetin no be my business. Which kind thing be this one? Eh?
Wait, Okon, did you just say a stranger?
Yes, madam.
So you tell me again, you're very sure you did not steal from them?
Like I told you earlier, I didn't. It was false accusations.
So,
what? You? What are you doing in my house? Sitting on my couch?
Too many questions and yet no answer, but she keeps asking.
Of course, I want to know. What the hell are you doing in my house?
Your house?
Yes, my house!
This is my house, but from every indication, it seems like you two know each other.
That is not the point. The question is, what the hell is this dirty thing doing in my house?
Miss Kate. She is going to be our new domestic help.
Excuse me?
Please, I like you. I like you so much. Okay. Even the more I get close, the more I attract him. So, I like you so much. Please, just give me a chance.
Okay, that's why it stops me.
Yes.
Okay,
give me a chance, please. I like you.
What is
Let me
it?
take care of you. And please, just all I ask is for one more, just one chance. Let me just take you out. Let's have lunch or dinner.
But I'm still in SS3. I don't know what is taking out. So I don't want to go out with you. I'm sorry.
I'll teach you all those things.
I don't want to learn. I'm breathing for my wife.
I like you so much. Please, give me a chance. Maybe I can take care of you. I love you so much. I can see you through to university. I can do anything for you. I mean, just give me a chance. I love you so much.
I'm just saying that I'm still in my SS3.
That's make everything easy. I can call anybody to sit for you. Anything. That will make it so easy for you to. One can do anything.
No. I want to write my. I've been ready for my work. I know you spoil me. I'm still in my SS3. I have a long way to go. Please go and spoil other girls. I'm not interested.
No.
I'm not.
You that I
I'm not.
want.
Don't want you.
I like you so much. No, excuse me, babe.
Can you imagine that useless girl? Kate! Look at the boy, look at that useless. Men are useless. Men are scums. Can you imagine? You are talking to Kate, holding hands with Kate, my student, SS3 girl, dirty girl. Kate, I will make sure you regret ever knowing me. Hey. You will suffer. I will deal with you from the bottom of my heart. I hate you.
Hey! Miss Juliet, do you know you have no shame? You don't have shame at all. You were here lamenting because of a guy. To even worsen the whole thing, you are fighting over a guy with an SS3 student. Eh? Is this how you are? Hey, Juliet, I thought you are a woman of class. I never knew you are nothing, that you are cheap. Yes, you are really cheap. Wake up. There are thousands of men out there. Go and get yourself a responsible man. Leave small girls alone. Leave them and their boyfriend. Yes. Go and look for your own. You have no shame. Eh? Cup and alone and wake up. Oh, this guy. No level. Hey!
Sir, that was how I couldn't write my WAEC. I had to come to the city in search of greener pasture.
Wow, that is deep. I'm so sorry about all that all that you went through. Also so sorry that my wife was a part of it.
Sir, you are a good man. Yes. And I don't want to cause any rift between you and your wife. You see, she does not like me. So please allow me to go.
Kate.
Sir.
My dear, you have done nothing wrong, absolutely nothing wrong. Right? As for me and my wife, we understand each other. Okay? I believe as time goes on, she's going to accept you pretty soon. Alright? She's still caught up in the past, but one way or the other, she's going to find a way around it. Alright? Oh yes, this will be my little way of assisting you and also sending you back to school.
Sir? Send me to school?
You heard me right. Send you back to school.
I don't know what to say.
Just relax and make a promise that you are going to stay no matter what anyone or my wife does or say.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
House girl eater, shameless he goat. Hey, shame on you, oh James, shame on you. A graduate without pedigree, you are a shameless he goat. Oh, so now house girl now went to the shop. Dirty thing, you the shame. As I find rich, you know do you. Shame on you. You have a very pretty wife. What else do you want? You are shameless. Shame.
Hey, enough! Enough before I lose it. I've had it up to here with you, for crying out loud. Okay, when you went out there to get a domestic help, did you consult me? Did you by any means inform the head of the house? Did you? Don't let me lose it with you, for crying out loud. I'll lose it with you. I'm trying to control myself here. I'm trying to.
You're working out on me, right? You're working out on me. James, you are shameless. House girl. Shame on you, shame on you.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Yes, you remember that girl I told you I met on the road? Yeah, the girl that works in the canteen where I usually go have my lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see that girl right now is my new domestic help.
What?
Oh yes, you heard me right.
Are you for real?
Oh yes. As a matter of fact, she has been living here with us for the past 7 days.
You know my instincts never faze me. I knew you always have eyes on that beautiful lady.
Andrew, you are overthinking. Oh yes.
Overtaking, you said. Anyway, it's none of my business.
Yeah.
That's nice. So, how is Juliet, your wife, taking it?
Well, you see, as a matter of fact, she has nothing much to say or nothing much to do. I'm the man of the house.
Okay. Let me take my last drink. So, I need to be on my way.
Help yourself, bro.
Yeah.
James, I am talking. You don't walk out of me. I'm talking to you. I am talking to you.
What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
What is the meaning of this nonsense? I took you out there so we can have a conversation as husband and wife, but you went out there to disgrace me.
Disgrace? Did you say disgrace? If I disgrace you, you will not go back home with your face. Okay. I don't like that girl. She is bad energy. I don't want her in my house. Simple.
These drums you're playing, you will not be able to dance to it.
Is that a threat? You know I love to dance. The dance of the spirit. I am not scared of you.
I am the head of the house. The head of this house, for crying out loud. Whatever I say stands. Whatever I say is final. I say who stays and who goes.
That's a very big lie. Okay. James, you don't work us on me. Okay. She don't stay in my house. I don't want her in my house. Okay. She will not stay in my house. After it's final. Okay. I don't want her in my house.
Yes, madam. Okay, madam.
Hey! Calm down. Hey, calm down. Put it on. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Chibiati. You there for something? Let me have the car keys.
James, please, this is too early. I'm going for a very important meeting. Let me just go, please.
Wait, will you come, let me give it to me. Are you okay? Are you there for something? Huh?
What is the meaning of this madness?
I hope you are not in any way trying to refer to me as a madman. Else, I will show you what a madman is made of. The stuff a madman is made of. Now, let me sound this as a warning. Let today be the very last day you will touch any one of my belongings. Is that understood? For the fact that you are still in this house is by the special grace of God. I would have sent you packing a long time ago. But because I wouldn't want to destroy my reputation in the society, that is why you are still here. But you will not last a year. Trust me.
That is a lie. Because this is my house. I am your wife. And everything and anything you have is mine also.
You see these drums you've beaten? You are not going to be able to dance to it.
Surugede, I love that sound.
We shall see. We shall see. This is my house and not your house. We shall see.
Mary Mao, Mary Mao, Baba God, oh Mary Mao. Oh, Mary Mao, Mary Mao. Hey! Baba God, oh, Mary Mao.
Hey, kids. Make I tell you. You see, Oga and Madam, now so then they fight. It can't be like, say, fight can't be their hobby.
Hey. I am so worried though. Eh? I don't want them to hurt each other.
Yeah. See, make I tell you, hurt is an understatement. You get one time, we then they fight. Oga run, go inside, carry knife. Madam run, go inside, carry bottle. Now so, now even neighbor can't separate themselves.
Are you serious?
Yes, now. Kate, wait now. See, might tell you, that one not their business. Eh? That one not their business. Okay, no say you fine now.
Come on, get out of this place, nonsense. Okay? Madam, see your con. You don't. They craze. Don't come do am before finish. Won't find we go touch. Nonsense. See I see deal with a flat nash. Rubbish.
Hey! What is this?
What is what, sir?
What do you mean by what is what? What for crying out loud? How could you use all the salt in the entire world to prepare this simple meal?
No, sir. It must be a mistake.
Oh, so my husband is lying, right? In it. Ash! No, he's lying now. So this is the home training your mother gave to you. She taught you how to cook with enough salt. You were cooking just common egusi soup. You pour the whole salt in the world inside the soup. Shush it! Oh, you want to poison my husband? You want to poison my dear husband?
Me?
You!
How can I do that?
Shut up!
Have a taste.
Yes.
No, have a taste, Kate.
You have to taste it.
Have a taste. Pwah.
Honey, sorry.
Taste it. Yeah. Young girls of these days. Okay.
So this is how your mother trained you. This is the home training you got from your mother. Huh? Common egusi soup. Come on. You finished the whole sauce in my house and it's here.
This is not my handiwork, sir.
No, it's my handiwork, man.
Now pack this nonsense. Come on, will you get out of this place? Pack this nonsense and get out.
Fast!
Sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm coming for you.
Thing.
Nonsense.
Clear this thing, please.
This is poison.
Yes, honey. It's poison.
It could be worse.
I didn't do this. I didn't do this.
Then who did? I didn't do this. Bad cook. What is that?
What is what? So you think I don't know you are up to this mischief? Of course I don't know. I know you. This is your handiwork. Oh yes! Because you want me to send her packing. But you listen. She is going nowhere for your information. Nowhere!
Come back, clear this table! Useless!
Kate, why are you sleeping here? Why are you not sleeping in your room?
I was watching TV and I fell asleep.
Oh, okay, I see. You can now go to your room, okay?
Oh, okay, sir. Sir? Are you okay? You don't look too happy.
Well, that's my wife. As a matter of fact, my wife happens to be my greatest problem on earth.
What has she done this time?
Nothing you can handle. You won't understand.
Sir, is there anything I can do to help? I will not hesitate to. Please tell me.
Nothing, absolutely nothing, Kate. You can go to your room now, okay?
Sir, I think I might have a plan.
Mr. James, your food is ready.
Take your poisoned food and get the hell out of here.
This is getting really interesting.
Yeah, hello?
Hello, Mr. James.
And how dare you call me by my first name?
Well, Mr. James, call telephone line is down.
Okay, that is some good news.
Yes, we're expecting our balance.
By first thing tomorrow morning, your balance will be ready, okay? Yes, thank you. Wow. Now that Paul is dead, I shall have all the billions to myself. I need to hurry up and break this news to Andrew.
Kate! My God! Good to see you!
Same here.
What are you doing here?
Okay, I came to get something for my madam from this supermarket, yes.
Wait. So you mean you now live in this city?
Yes, I do.
Oh my God!
Before I left the village for the city,
Yes.
I was at your house. I wanted to inform you of my decision, but your mother told me you left the village to the city with your uncle.
Yes.
Peter,
Yeah,
you left without telling me.
No, Kate, it wasn't intentional. It was all my fault. Okay? But don't worry. Now you are here. I mean, I'm so happy to see you.
Same here.
Let me have your number, okay?
Okay.
So that, we can get to talk.
Okay.
Call it for me.
080
080
44
44
66
66
33
33
12.
12.
Yes.
Katie! No, I'll call you, eh?
Okay.
My uncle is already calling me. Let me go and get what he asked me to get. Good to see you, eh?
Same here.
Take care. Alright, take care.
I'll see you. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Kate!
Are they come now?
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
See, where you go since now? Madam have been waiting for you.
Are you serious?
Yeah, nah.
I go supermarket now. She asked me to go buy something. Now I go buy.
I even tell am say you go supermarket too. Now he converse. Say if you come back, he go beat you, eh? He go beat you.
This kind of woman, if I don't understand. Now keep telling me.
Sorry, you. This woman go kill you for hand, though. Yeah? Woman go kill you for that. So then, my good too.
Madam.
Where are you coming from?
As you can see, I just got back from the supermarket with the things you asked me to buy.
Are you talking to me in that manner? With that tone?
Madam, please, I am sorry, but I have to go in. I have things to do before Oga returns.
You do not dare walk out on me. Are you stupid? Is something wrong with you?
Madam, please. I don't have time for your trouble. Please. I have better things to do with my time.
Are you serious?
You dare!
Kate, you have suddenly grown wings. Wings in such a way that you want to control my household.
Sir, with all due respect, it's not what you think. You just misunderstood me. Don't you dare! Like, if your hand as much as touch my body, hey! The whole world will know who you are. A murderer. Tell them you killed me.
Excuse me, what was that? Who killed who?
You're shocked? And you're also surprised. But your wife wants to know. I will tell you too. Yes. On the 12th of last month, you, Mr. James, ordered for the assassination of your best friend, Mr. Paul Collins. You two had a business deal worth millions of naira, but you took him out of the way because of greed, so you can enrich yourself with the millions from the deal. His family members assumed he died by accident. But no! They had no idea that you ordered for his assassination. And you. There's this saying, show me your friends, and I will tell you who you really are. You're friends with human traffickers. Yes. They go to rural communities and deceive young, innocent girls with a juicy offer of jobs overseas. But unknown to them, that they are being sold into sex trade. So one more word from both of you, you will rot in jail. Greedy people.
I was on my way. No, I'm on my way already. I was. Yeah, give it to me. Shut up! How dare you? Swat, dirty thing. Get out!
In here are recordings, evidence that can send you to jail if you do not comply to what I say or what I will be saying from today. Henceforth, you do as I say, else you will rot in jail. My first task is for you to stop the quarrelings and fightings in this house. And in 2 months, I want you to be pregnant. Food is ready.
I am not hungry.
I I am not hungry either.
Well, I took my time, went to the market, bought the ingredients, prepared this delicious meal for almost 3 hours. And you two do not expect it to waste. No, you don't expect my effort to be in vain.
I said I'm not hungry. I was busy upstairs when you called.
I wish you have the choice. You don't. You have to eat. James and Juliet, eat. Else, you know what I know. Thank you. You will enjoy my meal.
Who be that? Hey, wait there. Where you go? Where you go since? Eh? Where you go? Oga come dey look for you.
Okay, I'm here now. Where is he?
You are here now. No, you dey inside.
See your life. I know you never eat today. Make her feed you. Take chop. Tomorrow, talk.
I go chop am. Thank you. I go chop am.
Where are you coming from?
Sir, I stepped out to see a friend.
Who did you tell?
Mr. James, do I need your permission to go out?
Oh yes, you do need my permission to go out. For crying out loud, I am the head of this house, and yes, you did need my permission to go out.
Why are you shouting? It is not good for the game. Meanwhile, why is your wife over there while you're here? Juliet, come over here and be with your husband. Right now! No. I said this way.
I really do not know if you still have some husband left for me.
Oh, yes, I do. Else, Juliet, I would have been hitting you every day like you did to me. I would have made your life miserable. You won't have any smile on your face.
But I'm merciful.
Yes, I am.
What more can be miserable than a life like this? Having your own maid order you around in your house.
Oh, please stop all this drama. You aren't a good actor. No.
Sit! Yes. For your information, the two of you have broken one of my rules. And that is not good, no. And for that, you two will be punished. Henceforth, no more usage of phones. Yes. You will not call out, neither will you receive any call. You two have been grounded until I say otherwise. Now, whenever you see me around, I want the two of you to hold hands, romantically entangled. That's what I want. Yes, kiss, mouth to mouth. I mean, tongue to tongue. French kiss, deep one. Yes.
You must be a joker.
Oh, of course. Crazy. Must be out of your senses.
Oh yes! I have lost my sense of reasoning. I am out of my mind. So, Mr. James, if you do not want me to lose the last respect I have for you, you will not dare me. Else, just one phone call and the two of you will rot in jail.
Like I care.
Oh, he just
Hey, please. No. Don't mind him. He's joking. Please don't make the call.
Yes. Why your hands over? Hold hands. Yes. Oh, smile. I want to see your teeth. Smile. Your teeth, yes. Smile, yes. Smile. Show off. Okay. I like it. Yes. Oh my goodness. Love. Say honey. Call me honey. Say darling. Oh my God. This is nice. Yes, this way. Turn around. I'm watching you. Smile at him. Smile at her. Yes. Okay. Smile. Okay. Now face each other. Good. Look her in the eye. Deeply with love. Hold her hands. Yes, that's beautiful. Okay. So now, tell her, I love you. I didn't hear that. I love you.
I love you.
No, Mr. James. I said, look her deeply in the eyes. Look at her. Look at her husband. Say, I love you.
I love you.
Good. What is your answer, Gillette? James, both of you know what I can do if you don't obey me. What I say, come back here now!
I feel sick.
Have you told your husband yet?
What's going on here? What is the problem, doctor?
She has no problem. Actually, she's very fine. She's 2 weeks gone.
Them they tell you not agree at all. Every night and day, una they fight like cat and rat, yo. Oga and the madam, waiting be this, yo. Learn to love and live in peace, yo. Because so by fire, by force, una must fall in love. Love must finish you up. And if you know sabi love, I go teach you how to love.
Yes, people. It looks like there's a view out, right? Who's that fresh? Who's that fresh guy?
I know.
Them they tell you not agree at all. Every night and day, una they fight like cat and rat, yo.
Kate, good morning.
Good morning, Ma. Good morning, sir.
Did you just call me, ma'am?
Is anything wrong with that?
No, I am just surprised. Obviously, you woke up from the...
You have completed your first task. The I might not be married yet, but I know that marriage is beautiful.
Because so by fire, by force, so I must fall in love. Love must finish you walk. And if you know sabi love, I go teach you how to love. Love must finish you walk. Oh yeah, hold up, carry him, kiss him, show him love. Yeah, love must finish you walk. And love must finish you walk. I go yeah. Love must finish you walk. I go yeah.
Mama, she has been instrumental to my success.